We're here at Center City Plaza here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Hey, who should we say this to? This is for somebody who likes Longbar MT. Ooh. Longbar.
Okay, basement's never open.
This is a Longbar.
Let me see where this is going. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere.
Ding ding. Alright, 3. What floor?
1.
Okay. Anyway, this is the indicator. Really old Schindler logo. 2,000 pounds. That, folks, is a Longbar MT. And know somebody will like this.
I think, what is it using? PC Invaders?
Yes.
I know what it was.
Oh yeah, I also forgot to point out that this elevator is easily made glass, but this is decided not to. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.